Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make egg Manchurian. The ingredients are chili pepper, curry powder, soya sauce, paprika, tomato paste, tomato sauce, garlic, salt, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, all-purpose flour, corn flour, cooking oil, 5 eggs, and sugar. Boil water in a big sphere. Prepare your eggs while the water is boiling. To the eggs, add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of garlic. Then mix the mixture well. Then take a small sphere and apply oil in it. When you are done, take your egg mixture and put in it. When the water boils, take the small sphere and put inside the big sphere and cover both of them. Cook for 15 minutes. Take a bowl and add all-purpose flour, corn flour, and water, and then stir the mixture well. Make sure your mixture is a little bit thick. After 15 minutes, our egg mixture is ready. We'll put it aside for 5 minutes. Then remove it from the sphere after 5 minutes. Then cut it into small pieces that you wish. Then put those small pieces into the flour mixture that you made. Then deep fry them. When frying, make sure the pieces don't attach to each other. When the color changes to light brown, remove them and put them aside. To a sufuria or a pan, add oil, green and red bell pepper. Then cook for 2 minutes. Then add onion and cook for 1 minute. Add tomato paste 2 tablespoons and stir well. Then add tomato sauce 2 tablespoons. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Then add garlic 1 tablespoon. Then add paprika 2 tablespoons, curry powder 2 tablespoons, and chili pepper 1 tablespoon. Then add sugar 2 tablespoons. Then add soya sauce 3 tablespoons. After 5 minutes, put the fried eggs to the sauce and stir well until they are coated. Then cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our egg Manchurian is ready. You can serve with rice, spaghetti, bread, or chapati. Don't forget to subscribe for more new recipes.